If your crochet started to look a little slanted, like it's trying to escape, this is why. Hey crochet friends, I'm Mo, your crochet companion. This happens to pretty much everyone. You start off strong, everything's looking good, and then suddenly your project is learning like it has opinions. As you can see, I'm kind of almost like it's becoming a pyramid here. So what's happening here is you're either adding stitches or you're losing stitches. And this happens one of two places, either at the end of the row or at the beginning. Let me show you. So I'm going to take this out real quick and I'm going to show you what's happening. I'm going to go back to the same row that I was on here before I started making mistakes. Okay, so at the beginning of the row, you do your chain of one. And this is very common, especially if you switch back and forth between a single crochet and a double crochet. Because the double crochet, you usually don't stitch in that first stitch. So what happens is that people often will skip over this stitch when it comes to a single crochet. So you want to make sure that you are stitching in every single stitch. And just like in the last video, I showed you how to confirm where you're going with your stitch. So you're going to look for that V and you're going to look for that little dimple all at the same time, right? So we're making sure that we are going into every single stitch. And this is usually the reason why it starts looking like a pyramid, is because you're either forgetting that very, 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 very first stitch at the very beginning, or you get to the end and you don't get the very last stitch, because it does look a little funny. And especially if you're doing double crochets, it does look a little different. Okay, so this stitch right here at the end, or sometimes you might think that this right here, this little knobby thing, is a place to put a stitch. And sometimes it will wind up going the opposite direction and you'll have too big, or maybe you put two stitches into the same stitch. Sometimes that happens. So that's how you can kind of, if it starts to look, that's probably what happened. If your edges are a little wild right now, you're not alone. This is basically a crochet rite of passage. I'm not even kidding. I think every single brand new crocheter has done this. Just make sure you're getting that first stitch and don't forget the last one, even if it's being a little sneaky. Every row, same number of stitches. So that's another tip that you can use, is make sure that you're counting your stitches. Look at your V's at the top. Are you seeing the same amount of stitches on every single row? Once you keep your stitch count consistent, your edges will straighten out. No more runaway crochet projects. And if your stitch count keeps changing and you're like, how? Yeah, we're going to talk about that too. Until next time, follow the stitches that hold steady, and may your hooks never hide.